get low when the whistle go.
Hello everybody. Today is another Sunday fun day, and I got my co-partner with me, Grayson. And if you didn't watch our last video, we actually built an aluminum catapult, and we were launching water balloons, some baby powder, and what else were we launching?
Bouncy balls.
Bouncy balls. I think it was somewhere around 100 bouncy balls. So today we're doing something different. We're actually incorporating Easter with this catapult. I think we're going to launch some eggs. So if you do like our videos, remember, hit that subscribe button, the like button, right? And then share with friends, right?
Yep.
All right, let's do it, man.
Oh yeah, we have some eggs, we have some paint for those eggs, some white t-shirts, some googly eyes, and some painting canvases. Round 1, preparation. We have entry!
No, is that?
Gooby. All right, let's see.
Scalpel.
Shake it with your hand. Shake it. I see. There it goes.
A little bit of paint. And some sparkles. And maybe a little bit more paint.
¿Cómo estás? We are headed to Lowe's to see how much material costs. The other thing I want to do is go to Lowe's and see if it's a viable option for welding projects. See what they offer, see how much it costs. So I'm going there with Linky Stinky in the back.
Hello.
And Laura Lou. Check out this orange barrel. You see that orange barrel right there? Whoever you are that put this in my driveway, I'm holding you solely responsible. Now we got to drop it off. I already talked to the dude. All right, next stop, Lowe's. Oop, jackpot. Hardware aisle 17. We do need to get a new mailbox holder. Dun dun dun.
They provide a variety of weldable steel, from hot roll to cold roll to aluminum to threaded rod to angle iron and sheet metal.
Okay, can we say uno?
Oh no.
Dos.
Juice.
Trace.
Cheese.
Trace sticks. All right.
Sticks.
And then we'll bring one back.
A few moments later.
I found the area. And hit. Yeah. There we go. Found the area. Haha.
Round 2, preparation.
Whoa there! Each contestant must walk his way carefully across the logs. Why? Their dad is shooting eggs from a catapult.
Before we get started, we're going to launch one egg. All right, let's get this red one right here.
Beep.
Okay, here we go.
Favorite color.
Red one.
Here we go. That.
Take it back.
Got the fin.
Look at me, Gray. All right, here we go. Get back. All right, make sure you watch. Look at me. 3, 2, 1.
Big fail.
All right, we got the stuffing. We're gonna fill this bucket. It's gonna be like a little pillow.
Yeah.
Hopefully it'll be like a launching pad for these eggs. Ah! All right.
That was a fail.
Big fail.
It's green.
Green. I got the
All right,
right.
here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Success! Bucket down!
What are they doing? What are you guys doing? You got the little puffers.
On to the show. Load me up, Scotty.
Walk. Get ready. Keep going. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. They go that far. Three, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1.
Oh.
Closer, closer, closer. Right here, hit him. Throw hard, hard. Oh!
Epic.
All right, red. So we got red. See red? Catapult. Ooh, I shouldn't say that. Hold on a second. Catapult took a
Poo poo. Big dookie.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh. Oh, wait, we have a guest. Hi. Technically, I'm a guest too.
Here we go.
Fire. It's green.
Ready?
Epic.
Slow, 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 slow.
Epic.
Yellow. Here we go. All right, show me. Green egg to Linky Stinky 1.
Whoa!
Oh, that's so cool.
Wait, look at that.
Let's see.
Yeah.
2, 1. Thanks for watching the vlog. It was a Sunday fun day. Now you can see with the mess behind me, not only is it a mess, but I'm the one stuck cleaning it up. So if you do like what you see, make sure you smash that like button and the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.